So, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. And we are going to discuss the Jamaica Football Federation. Yeah, you know, everybody else just said, boy, MG, I work for the JFF. Yeah, very, very interesting. I tell you, really, really interesting. No? Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Massive, massive respect to everybody. While let's tune in, really, really appreciate the support. So what me I gonna do? So I did promise you guys what I'm going to start doing. I try and best see if I can do it continuously. Is the previous video me do the most highlighted comment? Me I gonna bring it up and have a little small discussions around it and whatever video. So I did a video yesterday speaking about Steve McLaren, modern day coach, and this is a comment that got highlighted. So let me read it. This is the comment that got highlighted. Most contradictory commentary ever, bro. First, you say you're not impressed. Then in the same breath, you say he can get the job done. But you have to wait and see. I think he was hired to get the job done. And Renil said, so Anthony Marco, the person who dropped the comment, and Renil said, I mix up page in my run. Say, very interesting. I tell you, oh, it's strange. If me I run mix up page, I Renil there. Renil, let me see your love mix up then, man. Like you love mix up, man. You love mix up your friend. I love mix up. Anyways, so let me just touch on that smallly. So I discussed the first video I did on Steve McLaren. First video I did Steve McLaren in regards to like after his appointment was me saying that I'm not impressed. And if you actually watch the video, what I was speaking specifically was about the things that he was saying. They didn't impress me. That's exactly what I was speaking. And I did not say that he's not good. He's not a good coach. I did not say he can't get the job done. I only said that I'm not impressed with the things that he's saying. Because everything that he was saying in this press conference, I've heard it already. I've heard it from Al Grimson numerous times. Same set of things, same argument, resources, people, commitment, all of these things. Behavior, ability, adapt, all these things. I've heard all them from Al Grimson. So I said I'm not impressed with the what they call it now, the salesman talk. Yeah, I mean I was just not buying it. And I also did a next video saying that he has the CV to get the job done. He can get the job done. But I am being reserved until I see the Reggae Boyz after 3 games under his tenure to really, really come to assumptions. You know what? I think, say, boy, we can really say, definitely say, he's going to bring with the entire journey. Or, say, no look like it, he will be able to manage. Despite his CV, his big CV. So, that's the reason why my reply was, sometimes it's very important to listen before you comment. All right, let's touch on the 3 Musketeers, the 3 Dan, the 3 man or run things. The 3 man that run things. Dennis Strong, Jensek, Mr. President Mike Ricketts, and chairman of the technical committee, Rudolph Speed. Now, the election just gone recently. Just passed recently, which means that they will be in power for a long time period. But guess what? I don't think the Jamaican people take them eye off of those 3 persons. They will not. They make a good appointment in McLaren to take us through this phase. But what I don't think the fans will allow the McLaren appointment to do, even though you have other supporters who want a difference, someone else to run it. What I don't think they will allow the McLaren appointment to do is overshadow their eyes that they have already locked on the Football Federation, these 3 persons specifically. Now, this phase, from from the appointment up until the World Cup, they will be under heavy, heavy scrutiny. Just put aside the coach. Let's put aside the coach. First, Al Grimson, all the issues that went down Al Grimson, all in kind of something there. People will be now looking to say, did they fix internal issues? And making it clear, crystal clear to McLaren what is required, how things are operated, so that we don't have no wall up to and from between players, between coach, between the JFF, between players, coach and the JFF, between the players and the JFF. Yeah. So during this phase leading up onto the World Cup, I'm a part of the fan, are looking with are digging deep with a fine teeth comb to ensure that whatever issue will pop up, the accountability belt, quote unquote, will be laid upon the back of the person, that specific person who should have it. And you know, when I'm in the army, I have an instructor named Merchant. He was my squad corporal. You have one little whip, you call it the metronome. Fine piece of whip, and he wet it across the back. Like, you bring a register, when you catch it, you bring a register right away. Then you just feel something start burning, you start, what that? I start, grab a fight, you like you try to take you out, but it don't reach. Reach already. Yeah. So, I do believe that many of the media, the supporters, will have their very own metronomes waiting for any mishaps to put it across the back of the entire JFF or the specific person that caused whatever blunder or whatever controversy. Now, put that out of the way. These three persons, one, because they are the face of the Jamaica Football Federation, the face. People know other persons in the JFF, but these are the three faces that you just affix with the JFF. So anytime you hear anybody talk, you must say, boy, Speed out, Chung out, Ricketts out. Those are the three. So because that sing so long, people just live on entry there. So guess what? These are the three persons who have to take the fall whenever something goes wrong. Now, as I said, from the appointment of the coach up until the World Cup qualifiers, even if the team still qualify for the World Cup, anyhow there are still any mishaps during the phase, chances are, I don't think that they're going to remain in the seat at the next election, even if probably people ain't even business or who. Because, not because making the World Cup is not the only aspects of success. We are looking for a better run, better managed federation with better transparency, better accountability during this same phase going on. Because until then, we can have the confidence to say, you know what, things have changed or they are taking a turn. And not because we make it to the World Cup means we dismiss all of that. No. And because we make it to the World Cup as well, we're not going to use that as on a bridge or on a alibi to say, yo, we make it to the World Cup now, which means that we were successful. No. Making it to the World Cup is not the success alone. That's a part of the success. I believe the bigger part of the success is when we see the federation taking accountability or when they go wrong, making the right moves, because then we can say that they are now structured to replicate this World Cup. If we make it to this World Cup, they can replicate it to 2030, because certain things have now been put in place, and you know all of the prerequisites that fans are after the longest time period, the accountability, all this stuff is now being shown publicly, and people are see and understand, and things are run smooth. Not say it go perfect, but it's running smoothly. It's running smoothly. So, may I make it clear? Say, any issue that I see during this time period, it will be noted. It will be noted. And I'm going to have my list. Just jot them, man. So even if we make it to the World Cup, I don't want to forget all the things that may go wrong. I want to ensure that I have it so that we know, say, boy, this is all that will go wrong. And we've seen it previously. The big question now is, Will they fix these things? Will we physically see evidence of these things being fixed? Like when I hear an old leakage or kind of something there? Yeah. I tell you. You know what? I'm not going to further upon the one, yeah. I'm going to release the video. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Accountability. Accountability. Paramount. Going on from here. Paramount. You know what I mean? God bless people. Enjoy your rest of the day. Boom. Like, share, and subscribe. Link in the comment section. Check it out. You know what I mean?